Is that how she said? Bah, 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 bah.
You can't take it anyway. Don't be jealous. I'm rocking this ice. I drop the vice.
Back right there.
Where?
Yeah, go hard, man.
Listen to your OG.
Yeah, I'm gonna get me a job, man. I need about 10 jobs away and inflation going up. My crypto Bitcoin crash, I lost a mil.
I'm rolling, buddy. You don't like me filming you?
Catch me at Mickey D's, man. You know they go put out a hit on me, man.
This is the first time you've been here in 2 weeks, bro. Just relax.
Oh, you counting the time?
I'm guesstimating.
You keeping up with the days,
I'm guesstimating. I'm with them.
Been 2 months. Been 2 months since I've been up here.
Okay, my bad.
Oh, look at that.
Don't peel it like that.
You hear all the paper crackling? Why does paper sound so loud?
Don't peel it like that. It's too sexual.
Peel it back, bro. Hold on. Peel that thing back.
Oh.
You gotta put your thumbs up in there, like.
Oh.
Thank you for this day. Thank you for blessing me. I said you keep me healthy. Make sure this Mickey D's muffin and hash browns don't kill me. Watch out for Miles' family, my family, a whole positive people of the world, subscribers, fans, followers, associates, stalkers. Watch out for the evil people and heal them, Lord. A lot going on in the world. Amen. Boy, I'm talking too much. Okay.
Don't do that.
Kumbaya,
Oh my God. No, I don't want none.
Just a little
I don't
snip.
want none. I don't want.
For the content, man.
Crack,
Little
man.
snip. For the content. Look at shake it. Peer pressure. You want another piece, don't you? Yeah.
God damn, you gonna give me this fat chunk?
No, I'm gonna give you some of it.
Give me that blueberry. Hold on. Oh yeah. I took that blueberry. Oh God, that's a good part.
So today we're going to get tint on this Camaro. I always wanted to get colored tint. It's a transitioning tint to go with that wrap. Then they act like it had got illegal, but I guess it didn't. People were just getting harassed, by the police, so they stopped having it. Of course, me, harassment for the police. Unfortunately, it's content. I'm gonna put my lights and play on there soon.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
So we gonna be getting that rewrapped within the next month or so. I want to go like the same color. Then I'll probably coat the wheels a different color. That'd be different. I haven't seen nobody do a Camaro interior. I need to do that fin. Need to wrap that some type of color.
Tint status. And then Omnique tints.
Yeah, shout out to Mr. Organic for, paving the way, man, of cutting out the headache of us having to find places. He find these places and share them with us so we can go and, hopefully get a discount. You know what I mean? We okay. Can I get a discount from these people you recommend? Bad boy. I was looking at the video the other day when you was ghost riding the whip.
Oh yeah.
This what I'm talking about, baby.
Yeah, you should get that, man. Cause gas prices going up.
Yeah, I'm tired of muscle cars, man. American-made muscle cars. Too much power. Too many eyes on me. I'm gonna be like everybody else, bro. I'm gonna just conform and fall and slide like with the sheep.
Yeah.
That's how I'm gonna go. See the sheep right here? I was like this, avoiding them.
Right.
Then I'm gonna meh, meh. Is that how sheep sound?
Yeah, sure.
Right? Meh.
Yeah.
Bah. Bah.
Yeah, it's a bah.
Bah.
Bah. Bah.
Bah.
Oh, there we go.
Bah.
Bah. Bah.
This thing's sick though, man. Look at it. With a T?
Y'all tell me if I should get a Tesla, man. I know a lot of y'all Tesla drivers, man. So, I've been joking around because truthfully, I've been fighting getting one, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's why anytime I talk a lot of crap about something, I really like it. You know how y'all was in school, like you always would feud with a girl or something, or boy, and you would feud and you liked them, you know, in that type of way, love type of way.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it, man.
Let's do it.
Super snake on the side. Yeah, I think they lowered it. I need to test drive this.
It's only 98K.
What up, man? About to get 10 on the ZL1, and I'm a little sluggish this morning, man. So, man, I got to get me a piece of that work gum to get going. This is the only caffeine I take per day. 50 milligrams of caffeine. Nootropics, man, the real brain stuff. Have you smart and energetic. Now let's go check this ZL1.
Yeah, this thing's sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same engine as the you know, the 570. It's
Right,
just
yeah.
different styling, that's all.
Yeah, yeah.
I love the rims, man.
Yeah, people are like, you can't do the pink. And I said,
Oh, do you see my track hawk?
yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, the pink, bro.
Pink
Don't
is
tell
nice.
them, bro. But I love it, bro.
Well,
People say you can't do certain things because it's not like you shouldn't do it. I like to do. Yeah, people get weird when you do things that are different than everybody wants to do black wheels, foreign stuff, and I'm like, nah.
so they was telling us with his, he wanted to do pink tint, but they was saying his back window is already tinted or something.
Yeah, factory.
Glass.
Yeah. Is it worth it?
No.
It's kind of like that truck has a factory glass, so it'll be the same thing.
Yeah, it goes off the whole color.
Behind it, it won't make a difference.
But your
Okay.
windshield, you already did your windshield.
No.
You could do it. You could do something just. So what I do, what I like to suggest is match the factory tint. You suggest this too?
Yeah.
Match the factory tint with the black, and then just do a something pop on the front windshield. Yeah. I'm getting a pink that might be close to that pink.
Okay.
Some sexy cars, man.
Yeah.
Just can't touch it. How do it do with the wheels on it? So I got this right there. We'll grab this one.
Oh yeah, it does match. Okay.
Yeah, match is super
Oh, so it
good.
just looks like you wrap the. It's gonna look
That
like,
whole car.
but you're gonna be able to see out.
Yeah.
But when you do look out, it's gonna be psychedelic.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, look at. This is how you're gonna look out.
Oh, okay.
Well,
So luckily I got the camera. Rear
I
view
mean,
camera
you'll
thing.
see out. It's bright.
Uh-huh.
But it looks like. Have you seen those Oakley, those glasses?
Yeah.
That's what it's gonna look like.
Nice.
All
Yeah.
crazy.
Wow.
It's not gonna be dark, so that's good. Not like a
No.
5%. I can't like 5%. You had it on.
Yeah, I had it on this.
You
too.
can't see at night, right?
Right. Now I don't. In the last 2 years, I drove twice at night,
So-
and I was in my Escalade so where I could see. Damn, that's crazy how it matched like that.
It
Up.
matches the matches perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how this works, people are gonna be able to see in on certain angles, but if you're straight on it,
Uh-huh.
you're not gonna be able to see in.
Oh, okay.
Who did this?
Reflections in Vegas. Same people that Organic went to got all his cars. This is dope though. It is dope. They were talking about we rammed their car or some shit like that.
Really?
You gotta give them a shout out. Supposed to be, I don't know. Oh, okay. No, I want the same look, but different pumpkins. No, Jago, absolutely. Instead of this brown. Yeah, exactly. That's where I got the idea. Uh-huh. So it's gonna be 800 plus horsepower. Right, I know. I was telling this story what made me get one. I had some races in my red eye. 150, like Can't go.
There's no way a downshift in third gear and 64.
Rolling too, right?
Yeah, that's the only way to.
Alright, let's keep it.
This is all laser.
Oh yeah.
Look at this, how it matched.
Yeah, you like that? They gave it to me.
Equal power. Yeah.
I mean, I want to try it.
Oh yeah.
Got the streaks and everything. Yeah, hold on. Come this way some more. Yeah, right there. Yep. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. You can't really see in it.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't understand that, bro. How that was able to sync up. with
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't understand it.
Look at that. We never got a car wash on the inside, Callie.
Yeah, we did. When your mom was here. No, it's the truth when she infected us. Look at the dye. Look at the dye.
That size.
That size.
That size.
Ooh, they might be. Everybody's shicey and short. Ow, my back head. What? What's up?
Everything you do is funny, dog.
Might need a hand. Might need a hand, hypey wifey.
What?
My back right there.
Where?
Yep, that's
Yeah?
it. Down low. Oh, yeah, go hard, mother. My body temperature heated up because you don't blow the air conditioner in your car, so it's
I mean, turn it on. That's okay. You're just gonna suffer.
preserving gas. I
It's
get it,
like
man.
$8 a gallon, man.
See, they like this sweatsuit today. You know what I mean? I'm doing. It's pushing the envelope. It kind of says old. You know what I mean? So I had to wear it to get out the way and put it on Posh. Ain't that what it's called? I'm about to start putting clothes on Posh. Wear stuff one time, y'all can buy my clothes, bruh. Like, it's gonna smell good, and you go, when that DNA seep in you from my perspiration, you know what I'm saying? They go turn it to a rhino. You go get smart every time.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna see if I can buy Elon Musk, get some of his used clothes.
Oh.
Yeah. And he be smart than a son. Trump, let me get one of those old MAGA hats or something.
Oh yeah.
See that red light on, bro?
I got you on the under.
You be trying to creep film, man.
I'll be trying. Yeah, I
That's
know.
why everybody be on your everywhere we go. When you got that big camera out.
Oh, it's not that big.
We got this here again. Usually when I get hooked on something, it don't mess with my stomach. I get it over and over till I get burnt out of it. So this is a salmon salad that y'all been seeing last few videos. And I enjoy it, man. Never thought I'd enjoy salad like this in my life. Got that good salmon in it, getting them. Oh, I got apples. This one today, I told them apples. I'll see if I can taste it. Thank you for today. Thank you for keeping us safe. Watch over us, our family, friends, and future. Amen. I gotta nullify the muffin and hash browns I had.
Oh yeah, me too.
You only have one snippet.
Yeah, that's too much, man. I'm gonna lose my cut.
You know what I'm surprised to start getting here?
Huh.
Those little strips. I don't see the apple. All I see is cucumber. Right here?
Oh, maybe.
Well, I think that's it. Good eye, man.
I hope I have a good eye. Being, you know, a cameraman.
Eye through eye.
Hey.
You eating croutons, huh? You going against your diet, man. You knew
I'm
that was
starving,
coming.
bro. I'm starving, man.
You going against your diet, man.
Am I?
Wow.
Oh, okay. I got the roasted garlic chop salad, man.
What's in that, man?
Garlic, roasted garlic, roasted chicken, cucumbers. It's supposed to be Caesar, but I use balsamic because, you know, I'm on a diet.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.